I'm going to bring in my cardstock layers here. I have the new, or I should say returning, Mint Macron. This is 4 1/4 by 11. And I have a piece of Whisper White that's 4 by 5 1/4. 2 pieces of our Share What You Love Designer Series paper that are each a 1/2 inch by 4. These are going to embellish the inside of our card. Another layer of the Share What You Love Designer Series paper that is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. A piece of basic black that is a 1/2 inch by 4 inches. And I've also cut our Stitch Shapes oval in Whisper White and a layer in Tranquil Tide. And then I have these gorgeous little doilies. These are our pearlized doilies. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but they're pearl. They have like a pearl coating on one side. The other side is just white, so you can sponge these. So that's cool. You can make them any color you want, or you can use the pretty pearl side. We're going to use the pearl side for this card. I've also just got a scrap of the Designer Series paper to cut some images out for the front of our card. Okay, let's get this card rolling. This is going to be pretty quick and easy. I have had a really good time using the Love What You Do stamp set. I found it very easy to create with, and that's always important to me. If I can sit down and make up several different card designs with the stamp set with ease, I know it's a winner, and I'm going to use it a lot because it ends up kind of being my go-to set because I know it's easy to create with. Have you ever sat down with a stamp set and you just fumble around for a long time trying to figure out what you're going to make with it? That is not this stamp set. It is fabulous. Let me show you, I just glued these on. This is going to go on our inside layer. Let me show you this Designer Series paper. This is so pretty. Do you see the sheen on those flowers? Oh my gosh, they're like pearlized. And again, we have more pearl color on some of the flowers on this layer. And the back is a really pretty coordinating like crumb cake color. We have this gorgeous floral pattern and these fun stripes, and another floral pattern that's got the pearlized coating on the flowers and really pretty leaves. Here's some Tranquil Tide leaves, and again that pearlized coating. I just love that. Then we have this gorgeous floral and some fun words. It coordinates nicely with the other side. Okay, let's get back to our card. This is a really quick and easy card to make. I'm just going to throw the inside in here. And you could easily make this as a get well card, a birthday card, an all occasion card. And since I happen to need lots of thank you cards, that's what I'll probably use it for. Okay, I'm going to take the Designer Series paper here and I'm just going to set that right in the middle of my card front. Isn't that pretty? It's just, I just love it. It's so pretty. And then, let's see, I'm going to cut my doily because I only need to use a piece of it. I think, I'm going to cut it right in half first. And then we'll see where we're at with that. Plan on putting it right here. Yep, I think that's gonna look nice. Notice how the ends of my black extend out a little further. That's just a really interesting element to a card. And I like that pop of black on here. So I think what I'm gonna do is I am going to center my doily in the middle of my little black layer here, and I'm just going to use some snail because it's easier with something like this. Now hang on, let me see if I can get it centered. I want this centered on the black, right? Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, and then I'll put some glue on it. Glue is my favorite adhesive, but there is reasons to have the snail tape runners. There's reasons to have, you know, stronger adhesive. Okay, and I'm going to save this for later. We'll do something different with that. Then I thought, bringing my stamp set here. When I'm working with the stamp set, I always like to get most of the images out and put them on blocks so that I don't have to futz around once I'm ready to create with it by going and getting another block or taking them off the blocks. That's how I lost the stem to my tulip stamp recently. I've got Memento black ink here, and I am just going to stamp this. I am lucky to have a friend like you. And I really like that saying because that opens up a whole world of people that I could send it to, right? And then I've got this fun little leaf spriggy type image. And I'm just going to stamp that a couple times right down here. And then remember this scrap that I said you needed? Well, through the magic of TV, I have already cut some images out of that. I cut out one of these bigger flowers with the pearlized coating on it, one of these, and then I cut out a little cluster of these green flowers. And I thought that would be really pretty to stamp a couple of the sprigs back behind and then bring in these flowers. And I think I'm going to pop this one up on a dimensional here. Yep, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to glue the smaller ones on my oval and then pop that one up on a dimensional. And I think I can use a regular size dimensional. I got my mini dimensionals out just in case. I really do love those. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that is. What do you guys think? I wish you could talk to me. That's why Facebook Live is really nice. Which reminds me, by the way, don't forget, I'm on almost every Sunday night at 6 p.m. Central Time on my Facebook page, which is A Stamp Above Your Creative Coach. I hope you can join me because we have a lot of fun on there and I do some giveaways and I'm always, it's a free stamping class. It's very cool. What do you guys think? Isn't that cute? And then I've got the Tranquil Tide here that I already die cut. And I'm just going to layer these two together. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this. So at the beginning of the video, I show you the card that I'm going to make. And I have to tell you, or usually I do that. Maybe I won't do that this time. I'm making this card for the first time. And then I go back, when I'm done, then I shoot here's the card we're going to make. So that I'm not spending a lot of time making duplicates. And mind you, I will make up a whole bunch of these, but not for video purposes, right? So sometimes this is the first time I am actually making these cards. I have an idea in my head. I cut the layers. I think about it a little bit. And then I create it right now without doing it ahead of time. Most of the time I do my cards ahead of time, but for this one I'm not. And oh my gosh, I am so happy with this. This is just the cutest. Such a pretty, elegant card. Look at that. Wow. I can't wait to send this out. Okay, one more thing I want to do here. We've got these Share What You Love Artisan Pearls, and I'm just going to bring just a few of the green ones in here. And you should always do things in threes. That's what people that do flower arrangements tell you. Always in threes. Well, I've got 4 flowers on there, but I think that's okay. What do you guys think? I hope you'll take advantage of this promotion for May. You can get the Share What You Love bundle in 3 different ways. And each one of those ways comes with free product when you buy the bundle. Please head to my blog. You can click right up here in the top right hand corner, and that'll take you to my blog. You're going to look for the Share What You Love promotion, and I think you're going to love it because I have been having a blast with this puppy. This promotion just went live today. It's May 1st. That paper is just gorgeous, and then you have the fun stamp set with all these pretty images. You're going to see a lot more ideas from me on this. And if you place an order for one of the bundles with me, I will give you as a gift a PDF file that has 25 different cards, all the dimensions, ingredients, and brief instructions with photos as a gift to say thank you for choosing me as your demonstrator. So head on over to my blog and get yourself one of these bundles so you can have a ton of ideas to make some beautiful cards for your friends and family. Don't forget to click down here in the bottom right corner to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have lots of great stuff coming up that I'm going to share with you. And as always, I want to thank you for taking a little bit of time out of your busy schedule to spend it with me today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.